Well, we had a wonderful gift today. A day of some massive rain in third week of June. What a gift. What a gift. Hopefully the leaves on the strawberry plants gave enough cover to the ripening berries. I'm sure they're fine. But I wanted to show, look at all this water I was able to catch. These are the lids that go onto my rain barrels that I use for water catchment. And I have them not hooked up to the downspouts off the roof, but simply out under the sky collecting rainwater. And then I will also be emptying what's in these lids in the barrels. Rainwater is the best watering water, of course. Even though some of these barrels look a little scuzzy, nonetheless, they can not only be used for watering the garden and container bits with herbs and so on, but they act as a backup for emergency drinking water. And what I would do in using this rainwater is filter out the particulates by using a mesh filter, then adding a very specific amount of just household bleach, then running it with siphon pressure through my Multipure water filter. And that water is going to be great water to drink and use for cooking in an emergency. What are you doing for water, emergency water, as well as extra free water to water your gardens and yardens? Happy gardening. Fall back in love with the earth.